Can you give me one word that describes 2025 for you?
Challenging. I'm in the walling industry. We have faced hurdle after hurdle for our commodity with price and regulations and new expenses and fees. And so trying to juggle all of that while remaining profitable has been really a challenge.
So, how are you going to use this experience to shape your future moving forward?
I'm very hopeful that we can have new innovations to incorporate that'll help us save some money and become more efficient, which will, in the end, help our bottom line.
So how are you preparing for 2026?
We are reviewing everything currently, talking to growers, trying to find out what they're doing to overcome the issues that we face in the ag world. And we're working together and trying to figure this out together so that we can work through this.
Do you think that there's any one innovation that will transform produce production by the end of 2026?
I do. AI.
AI? How so? Expand.
There is so much AI coming that is changing how we are now, from what we see online to the various things that are being taken over by AI. So it's evolving, and it is evolving very, very quickly.
How are you using AI?
Currently, I'm not using a whole lot of it because I'm trying to see where I fit in for the best way that works for us.
Yeah. Do you plan to implement it in 2026?
I don't know that I can say implement it. I think that I'll have to roll with it.
Roll with it.